Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Container and quantities. Vocabulary words with examples. Slice.
Slice.
A slice of watermelon. A slice of pizza. A slice of bread. A slice of cake. Head. A head of garlic. A head of cabbage. A head of cauliflower. Pinch.
Pinch.
A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. A pinch of sugar. Bunch.
Bunch.
A bunch of bananas. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of radish. Bowl.
Bowl.
A bowl of soup. A bowl of rice. A bowl of nibbles. Jar.
Jar.
A jar of honey. A jar of jam. A jar of nuts. Bottle.
Bottle.
A bottle of milk. A bottle of water. A bottle of wine. Drop.
Drop.
A drop of water. A drop of eye drops. A drop of blood. Sack.
Sack.
A sack of rice. A sack of flour. A sack of potatoes. Carton.
Carton.
A carton of milk. A carton of eggs. A carton of juice. Box.
Box.
A box of tea. A box of chocolate. A box of matches. Spoonful.
Spoonful.
A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of honey. Piece.
Piece.
A piece of cheese. A piece of cake. Roll.
Roll.
A roll of toilet paper. A roll of scotch tape. Glass.
Glass.
A glass of milk. A glass of water.
Barrel.
A barrel of oil. A barrel of wine. Liter.
Liter.
A liter of olive oil. A liter of petrol. Cup. A cup of coffee. A cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.